here. This is from TCTEC, and it's so small that it's hard to find on the desk. This right here, this is it. This is a keychain that you can put on your keys. You can clip it on your backpack or whatever, and it has a voice recorder on it. So this is going to be, it has 64 gigabytes built in, and it charges with USB-C, and yeah, it's got a built-in voice recorder. And basically there's two different options here. So you have on, so it's just automatically recording. If we can get this focus for you. Yeah, just like that. There we go. So you can do like on here. Why don't I just do a little zoom in here? That's even better. And you also have like a voice assist. So it will not record anything until it hears something like voices talking and stuff like that. So if you wanted to just kind of keep it on constantly and just recording, and there's like also recording over old stuff, that will work. Now to play back, you can plug it into your computer and get the files off of this device, but they also have this little USB-C remote control that you can just plug in, and then you can play back the audio. You can change the different tracks, turn up the volume. It also comes with the little headphones as well. Nothing too impressive about the headphones, and also nothing too impressive about the video quality. This is not something that you're going to try to do a podcast with. It is just going to be something if you need to record an important conversation. Let's say you get in the room with the boss and he's about to do some firing or something like that, but does it the wrong way. You can record him and gotcha or whatever. But yeah, it's very sleek, and it's like quality build. It's doesn't seem flimsy or anything like that. So yeah, there it is. It's really cool. Cool piece of tech. I mean, technically that could save you a lot of money in the end if you need to like have this voice recording. Like, nope, they said this. You know, that's a good backup thing. So I do like the idea of having this on my keychain, and if not necessarily to get someone, but you know, sometimes I have conversations where I can't remember what was said, and it's nice to have that as a backup. So it's like someone's giving me instructions on like, hey, we want you to film this video and we want you to do this and that and that. I'm like, what? Yeah, this was all recorded.